Alright guys, so just take a good look at this account guys. You can see that this is a real account guys. So we started this account with a whopping deposit of $34 guys, and we plug our FxBillprobot, and $34 guys turns to $364 in this account, which you can see in your eyes guys. And you can see we started this account with BTC USD, and we plug our FxBillprobot in this account. So guys, let me show you the tabs. The robot that takes all this with FxBillprobot was the one that takes all this trade, which you can see in your eyes guys. So guys, this is how we have been trading, and we are making consistent profit, build the market and pay our bills at the same time guys. So if you have not been making profit guys, check this out with us, and get FxBillprobot and start making consistent profit, so that we can build the market together. You can see that it's a real account from 34 USD to